Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you search for problem on your Botim app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Botim app. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now is you just click here on calls and here on chats and calls, and you come to next step here. Then you just come here to avoid diagnosis here. You will click, then it's going to take you here. So just waiting to open with you like this, and you click here on start, and here it's going to search for a problem you have, or scan your account. So like you see here, you have problem on volume here, like they say here, and silent mode. So and here can you scan your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.